Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Deepbrain AI. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to write the name here. And after writing the name, simply we have to hit the enter. So as you can see now it's here. Now simply we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, simply we have to create an account on that. For creating an account, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the login. If you have already created an account, you have to click on the login. Or if you are new, then simply we have to agree this. And now I'm going to click on the get started. And after clicking on the get started, as you can see, we have to provide the details and we need to create an account. So simply I'm going to click on this, sign up with Google. So I'm going to click on this, and now simply I'm going to choose my email address here. You have to also do in the same way, and after that we have to hit the continue button. And after clicking on the continue, as you can see, now it's ready to use. Now you can use it. Now simply we have to allow this. Now if you want to create a new project, you have to hit the new project, and these all options are provided here. Now you can use them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the Deepbrain AI, how you can create an account on Deepbrain AI. So see you guys in the next video.